Alright guys, I'm gonna take the WINGSLAND up a little bit. Another one. I'm a glutton for punishment, okay? We're gonna take the WINGSLAND up. It's pretty cloudy. It's been raining like hell today, but it stopped for a little bit, so I'm gonna take it up. The weather is just, the last 10 days here, it's been just absolutely terrible. Absolutely just total crap. Raining every day, and so we'll take this baby up for a minute, see what happens. Well, it got the same 5-minute flight time as it did the other day, so I got a call or an email into WINGSLAND to see if they can either get me another battery, or I don't know. So from what I'm hearing, it's supposed to get about 9 minutes to 10 minutes, but I'm only getting 5. And I did a couple of point of interest deals. That's why you saw it circling. I just wanted to see how that would work out, because it does have that feature on there. It has point of interest, 10-second aerial, follow me, and it also has that motion sensitive thing on there to where you can tilt the phone. But it seems to be very jerky when when that's going. So I had it up there for a second doing that, but I took it off because it was hopping around a lot. So all right, guys, so I just got the same 5 minutes. Oh well, adios.